YouTube? It's your boy Vert. I'm back with another video. I'm back. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be cooking y'all a fine cuisine hood meals, my nigga. I'm about to be cooking y'all some motherfucking Salisbury steak, man. You know, got this shit from motherfucking Dollar Tree. You know what I'm saying? I got some motherfucking Salisbury steak. I know a lot of you niggas be hungry out there, and I be trying to teach y'all how to make food, how to not be hungry. But today I'm about to be teaching y'all how to make some Salisbury steak, man. First, you gotta hood that bitch. What the fuck is this? That shit steak, gang. That shit smell like ass. But we gonna be cooking this. I got the motherfucking pot right here. I'm cooking y'all some cuisine. I'm teaching y'all niggas how to cook. A lot of y'all niggas ain't got no hot water, and that's fine. But guess what? I ain't got no water. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool. We ain't got no water to cook this shit up, so we know how to cook it straight out the pot like this. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no top for it neither. So, you know what I'm saying? Come around here. So, I'm about to be throwing this bitch on the pot and pan. I got the motherfucking, hold on. Shit. Like I said, this is hood meal, so you gotta do hood shit. You know, fuck this. Niggas in the hood not using forks and knives and shit. We throwing this shit straight on the stove, bro. Niggas throwing it straight on the stove. Hold on. Put that shit on. Look, bring it up. Bring the camera up. We got this shit straight on the stove. Y'all niggas don't know nothing about this, bro. So we throwing it straight on the stove. Y'all see it's cooking right now. Oh, well, first. Oh, shit, this shit really cooking. All right. That shit really cooking. Y'all see that shit steaming? Y'all see the steam coming off that motherfucker? All right. We about to make a motherfucking flow mash today. A flow mash is a motherfucking something that's just fire, nigga. If a nigga say to man, this nigga like that, man, flow mash, nigga. Like, you can say flow mash with any motherfucking thing possible. So, you know what I'm saying? We about to make some flow mash food. We about to get good. I'll be right back with the motherfucking eats, man. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put the pan on top of it. I'm gonna put the pan on top of it to let that shit marinate and shit. We'll be right back. Look, while we waiting for this food to get done cooking, I want to address some motherfucking comments. I posted a video the last couple days. I posted a video a couple days ago, about 2 days ago, talking about I'm quitting YouTube. Y'all know I'm not quitting shit. I don't quit. I'm not a quitter. Shit, these drawers don't open or something? We glued these bitches shut. You seen that meme where niggas be gluing up? They be gluing, landlords be gluing everything. And a couple of these comments is talking crazy about me. I ain't gonna say talking crazy. No, not talking crazy. Y'all giving me some good advice. I asked in the video. Now, I ain't even asked for no damn advice. Y'all niggas just gave me advice. Let me grab a chair. Let me just address some of these comments real quick. What's my phone there? One of the first comments that I'm gonna address is somebody telling me to become a YN. Why are you asking me and telling me to become a YN, bro? Why would you want to influence a young black king like me to become a YN? It's like, it's abomination. You know what I'm saying? It's like, why? You know what I mean? And I'm only addressing the negative comments. I ain't gonna address the good ones. I already commented. I'm gonna reply to all y'all. And then the nigga gonna comment, keep trying, king. Nigga, no, don't try to call me no king after you just told me to become a YN, bro. And then somebody on here, their name is, this just happened like literally like 20, 30 minutes ago. His name is Forgotten Space. He said, he just gave me a long message. I put it on the screen. I might not put it on the screen, matter of fact. He was just basically telling me to get my shit better, my content better. I understand my content is ass, my nigga. Yes, I get it. The bitches, the motherfucking the videos is trash. You know what I mean? But the thing is, right now, it's just a process I'm going through. I'm trying to, you feel me, figure out the ropes of this. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, maneuver and lock in. Because a lot of, you know what I'm saying, I've been doing this for like, bro, since I was 13 or 12 or 11 or some shit. I'm 20, bro. Yes, I'm an old nigga, bro. I'm unk. Damn. I'm unk status. So it's like when you get to unk status and shit don't start working, it's time to start going to the plant. You feel me? It's time to start going get a job. You know what I'm saying? This shit is not about to, I'm not doing that, bro. I dead ass will be broke on a motherfucking corner begging for money before I do anything like that, bro. I'm not doing it. I'm not about to, this is the only option. So trust and believe. Y'all see a little nigga with some glasses down the motherfucking street in Detroit. If you see a nigga look just like me, it's me, bro. But he gonna have that motherfucking camera in his hand, you feel me? But that's basically back to me telling y'all gotta lock in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all youngest watching me, even y'all old heads like me, even older than me. Lock in, bro, because time is not waiting for nobody, bro. Do whatever you're gonna do every single day. I wanna make sure you do this shit. You gotta do it every day though, bro. You gotta do it at your 100%. A lot of times I don't be doing shit 100%. I be sitting here bullshitting and we all bullshit, but you cannot sit here and lollygag for nothing. Nobody's waiting for you. Your dream's not waiting for you. Nobody's waiting for you at all. So you gotta lock in, man. This food's starting to smell like it's done, so let's lock back in. All right, y'all, you feel me? It's your boy, I'm back. You know, I had to talk to y'all, give y'all a little motivation. Because not everybody be motivated. We all don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. We don't know what to say. Fuck. I'm fucking up my words. But I'm about to let y'all see what I cook, man. Y'all know how I get real cuisine, real demure. You know what I'm saying? Real demure, real mindful. You feel me? I'm cooking some good eats. Yeah. I know y'all wanted to see Cooking with Kaya here. I know I put that on the title. She not coming, y'all. I know y'all thirsty young. Don't click off my motherfucking video. Cooking with Kaya not coming, bro. She not coming. I know I said it featuring cook. No, she's not coming, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or she might come. I ain't gonna lie. She might pull up. I might have her in them. You know what I'm saying? She might be waiting downstairs for the surprise. I'm gonna let y'all see after you know what, matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all see the surprise afterwards. I might Cooking with Kaya might be downstairs, y'all. But you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all see the food, and then I'm gonna let y'all see Cooking with Kaya. If she pull up, she might, like I said, she might be downstairs, y'all, right now, bro. Cooking with Kaya might be downstairs, and a lot of you niggas thought she wasn't coming. I told y'all at the beginning she was not coming. She might be here, bro. Cooking with Kaya might be in the basement right now. But I gotta let y'all see the food that I just cooked for her. You know what I'm saying? Mind you, I got a lady, I got a girl. So me and Cooking with Kaya is strictly business. I'm not doing none of that shit. But anyways, so we got the motherfucking hood here. You feel me? The food, the foodies. I'm gonna let y'all, you know what I'm saying? I had to sit here and let the food marinate for a little bit, man. You know, I had to let it marinate. Y'all stay with me. Say marinate. Say marinate. Say marinate 3 times. Marinate, marinate, marinate. That's a word if you say multiple times, you might start getting annoyed or some shit. But we got the food right here. I know y'all been waiting. I know I keep yapping. Let's get straight to it. Y'all say marinate in 3, 2, 1. Marinate. Oh, shit. Fuck. Y'all see what I made, nigga? Hood, nigga. Straight out the motherfucking Dollar Tree, bro. I made a motherfucking, bro. I really be cooking out here, bro. I really be out here cooking. You know what I'm saying? I be cooking. We gonna taste test this motherfucker for y'all. Let me see. That bitch got a little to it though. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I want to eat this shit. I don't know, bro. We might put that bitch back up. Y'all let me know how y'all feel like I cook. But I know y'all, this the part y'all waited for. Y'all want to see Cooking with Kaya. You know what I'm saying? Kaya, you down there?
Kaya, Cooking with Kaya.
Okay, I hear you, girl. Okay. I think they're ready for her to come up. Like I said, I don't want Kaya. I don't want Kaya, y'all. But like I said, I know y'all wanted her to come, so I'm going to have her come up. Let me grab the camera. I want you to get shit. Don't say nothing, though. All right, y'all. So I got Kaya about to come upstairs. Or, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all been waiting for her the whole video. Y'all gotta, but the thing is, y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe real quick. You have to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Hold on, man. My shit just got real dark real quick. If y'all want Kaya to come down here, say Cooking with, say it with me. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking. All right, Cooking with Kaya. Come on. Cook it. Hold on, Kaya, hold on. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Y'all say it with me. I'm gonna keep saying it, Kaya, and I want you to come up. 3, 2, 1. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Y'all, if y'all want Kaya to come back for a part 2, y'all let me know, man. I know y'all been waiting for her the whole vid, and I know y'all been thirsty for Kaya. You know what I'm saying? She don't look that good in person. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh. Yes, like I said, I got a lady, so I'm not even looking at her like that. You know what I'm saying? But she don't look that good. Her food not that good. We already taste tested. But if y'all want part 2, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Vert. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I get. You know what I'm saying? Stay motivated, stay blessed up. It's your boy Vert. We out, deuces.